Hi. I think I forgot to put something in the references, so I'm making a separate little film here. And it's about fetal development. So, part of looking and deciding for yourself, getting information. And so I want to present that to you right now. The first is entitled Slideshow, Fetal Development Month by Month, WebMD, W-E-B-M-D, medically reviewed by Tracy C. Johnson, MD, dated May 9, 2023. Okay. And a second one is entitled Abortion, What a Pregnancy Actually Looks Like Before 10 Weeks, in pictures. Abortion, What a Pregnancy Actually Looks Like Before 10 Weeks, in pictures. It's from The Guardian by Poppy Noor, Noor, October 19, 2022. So that's for people, for you to make your own individual judgment according to your emotions, your feelings, and information. I will put these on the, and the third is very simple to Google: Mount Sinai, fetal development, and you will get more images. I wanted to say something about Dodd v. Jackson, that overruled Roe v. Wade, that overruled the right to abortion. Dobbs v. Jackson, the latest in June 2022, left it up to the states. The basic ruling was that protection is not found in the 14th Amendment, which is the source of our civil rights. Historically so important, finally received by our African American citizens in the 19th century. And they're saying, well, we can't find that right. No, that's not specifically stated. The freedom of speech, our freedom of speech, in the first part of the First Amendment, doesn't talk about radio or television, or standing on a street corner. Those have all been derived and in some cases circumscribed. Not shouting fire in a crowded theater, things like that. Okay. I don't think we're not allowed to go foment violence, but it skirts right up to that, like with the neo-Nazi parades, things like that. So anyway, that's what that ruling said, and I'm not a lawyer, not an attorney, but there's much disagreement with it for good reason. So now I'll put these up. Oh, and I wanted to say, because of it leaving up to the states, that's why we have, virtual bans and bans at 15 weeks or 6 weeks, or and that Arizona came up with, because of, I believe it was their state Supreme Court that gave no right, and it was based on on a law made when Arizona was a territory, and it banned any abortion and limited the rights of women. So, a 10-year-old could get married. Great. So that does not seem sensible at all, nor the Comstock Act, which banned any indecent materials through the mail, and that determination is by, I guess, local authorities. I'm not sure, and that's pretty crazy. And that's what Justice Clarence Thomas, I think, and maybe others might want to rely on to limit contraceptives through the mail. So I wanted to emphasize that as of now, of course, contraceptives are available. I didn't realize, my grandniece told me that contraceptive pills can be bought at a pharmacy just over the counter. I had no idea. And she kind of disagreed with that because you didn't get a well woman exam. But a lot of people don't have insurance. And so getting a doctor's appointment would be too costly. And my take on it was, well, at least you can get a contraceptive. And because that is important. So those are available. I've lost track whether RU 486 or the 10-week abortion. I don't think they're legal in all states. And so the best are the pill. You can go to a doctor, and he or she can give you, she or they can give you, people can get injections. So that's, I think something's placed under the skin. See, I'm out of that loop now. And there are always condoms. I forgot to look that up. My husband looked up, we were talking about this, and he looked up condoms, and they can be, of course, bought at the store or whatever, and online. They had all kinds online to make them more comfortable for the wearer. Okay, so that's an option. Okay, well, that's it. That's it for me for this right now. And I'm writing my section on fascism and other problems, autocracy and communism. It's a beautiful day here. I swear next time I'm going to go in the other room where it's really, might call it my parlor, where it's sunny and there are a lot of windows. And instead of my messy work room. So anyway, have a great day. I said my very best wishes, always. Oh, and I forgot too, when talking about different sources of information, if you're on the younger side and you like rap, Ari Melber often features rap artists. And I found that to be educational. And some people, I think, would, really know or aware of those people and would like that. And he has other artistic film and actors and such, which is nice. Little segments, and does interviews. So that's good. So I wanted to tell you about that. I've learned about gigs, and I'm losing the names. But it's fun to watch, to see the interviews. They're very nice. They're just very nice people. And I was really impressed. I saw 50 Cent, Curtis Jackson, Curtis something, and I can't remember one of the recent ones too. So I thought Snoop Dogg had a really sweet face. He does, sweet face, just sweet expression, and Giggs did too. So I really can't, keep up with that. But that's okay, and I enjoy what I see, and I'm trying to interest my great-grandnephew. Hey, look at this news. You'll get some entertainment as well, some culture. Okay, all right, have a great day. Best wishes always. And done.